May magbag yung mga tao dati, no? Talagang, wow. Another new day, new bag here in Bangkok. And finally, ayan, last year nagpunta kami dito ng husband ko sa Louis Vuitton Visionary Journeys. Pero hindi kami nakahabol kasi ang haba ng line. So now, nakapag-confirm kami ng slot. So actually, nag-start siya noong 2024. So kala nga namin wala na, sarado na siya for now. So yan, let's take a look inside. Welcome to Louis Vuitton Visionary Journeys. Come, tutor ko kayo. Kala mo taga dito. So this is a dynamic experience blending art, heritage, and innovation. The 1800s.
So this is the oldest one.
That's why we cannot touch it because this is the original design from the 1800s. The OG from 1870.
Yeah, so for this side is from Mr. Louis Vuitton.
This is the one designed by Louis himself.
Yes,
Oh, wow. And then this one is
Jean Vuitton is second generation of
the second generation. And then the last one, grandson, Gaston Louis Vuitton. So ito yung original na dinesign ni Louis Vuitton. Very historical. Kaya bawal siyang i-touch. Gusto ko hawakan siya. Ito si Louis Vuitton. Yan siya. Si Louis Vuitton. May great-grand-grand-grandfather. Ay, wala na yung mga ano. sabi mo, pa-corny ng pa-corny. This is the original Neverfull. Ang galing-ganito pala original design niya. Tapos ngayon naging tote bag na siya. Ang galing ng evolution ng design. The original coupon designed in 1930. So wala dito yung original speedy bag na dinesign ni Louis Vuitton. Mapapansin yung lalaki ng bags ng 1800s, no? Kasi nga for travel, yung lalaki parang baga. Actually, yung keep-all, hindi masyadong binago yung design. Nilagyan na lang ng monogram print. Pero yun pa rin yung size. Nagkaroon na lang ng mga variety of sizes. Pero ito pa rin yung itsura niya. Yes, the Arnold family, direct descendants of the Vuitton family.
So Arno is the CEO, but some like the Vuitton family still have like a working, but not owning.
So they are not directly related each other. So meron pa rin tayo nabubuhay ng mga Vuitton family. Grabe sa yung trend pala ng bags talaga before. Sobrang lalaking bags. Tapos ngayon, di ba, paliit ng paliit. Paliit ng paliit into micro bags. Sa susunod, ganyan na lang siguro kaliit yung bags. Grabe yung evolution ng fashion. Grabe magbag yung mga tao dati, no? Talagang bag. Kasya ko din.